Liana, and the big community vote. In the small, colorful town of Red Hill, the air buzzed with excitement. Bunting hung from lamp posts, and the sweet smell of fried chicken and fish and festival floated from the corner shop. It was nomination day, the day when adults in the town chose who would represent them in the upcoming community council elections. 8-year-old Liana skipped through the streets, her school bag bouncing on her back. She didn't fully understand politics, but she loved the energy of the town on days like this. My granny and my mother say every vote count, she told her little brother Jelani, who was dragging behind her. You mean what have to pick who run the community? Jelani asked. Yes, pick who make good decisions with the people, Liana said with a nod. At the town hall, adults lined up in neat rows, while a volunteer read names aloud. Each person who wanted to run for council stood tall and gave a short speech about their plans. Liana watched in fascination as Mr. Cole Baker promised more benches in the park. Mrs. Anika, the local teacher, spoke about new playgrounds for the children, and even Mr. Fraser at JP said he wanted cleaner benches. All these people want to help our community, Liana whispered to Jelani. Then she noticed something interesting. Some adults didn't look confident when speaking, and others were too busy trying to outshine each other. On the walk home, Liana and Jelani discussed what they'd seen. "I wish kids could vote too, Jelani said sadly. "Maybe we can't vote yet, but we can still help," Liana said. So, Liana came up with a plan. She gathered her friends and started a promise board in the schoolyard. Each candidate's promise was written on a big board with pictures and bright colors. Children could place stickers next to the promises they liked best. By the end of the day, everyone, kids and adults alike, was talking about the board. Even the mayor peeped in to see what the kids had voted on. "Liana, this is brilliant," he said. "You're teaching the young ones how democracy works and showing adults how to listen." When the real election day came, Liana and her friends didn't vote officially, but the adults remembered the kids' promise board. Many kept the children's ideas in mind when they cast their ballots. And in Red Hill, the story of the children who helped guide the vote became a favorite tale for years to come. "I might only be 8, Liana said proudly, "but even me can help make our community better."